Hello everyone, welcome to part 196 of multi-vendor e-commerce website in Laravel. So we will continue working on the user ratings and reviews for the products. Okay, so in this video we are going to integrate star rating script. In the last video we have seen that we able to insert the ratings manually with Cedar. Okay, we have created earlier the ratings table and inserted the ratings with Cedar. Okay, here you can see that one of the rating we have displayed in dynamic panel along with the active, inactive and delete functionality. Okay, so now this time we are going to add the rating, we are going to add the star rating, we are going to search and add the star rating here in our detail page. Okay, here you can see that we are already having the reviews tab, ratings and reviews tab, and here we are going to add the star rating. Okay, so here we are going to add some star rating. This one is not working, this is just the static. Okay, we will make it dynamic. So let's search in Google. I'm going to search something like star rating code. Okay, so whatever the see, it automatically comes star rating code. I'm going to maybe the code pen itself, we are going to open this one, 5-star rating with CSS and HTML, and this rating we are going to add. Okay, so see this one, we will check its functionality. Yes, it is working fine. So this is the star rating, we are going to add it here. This is the main point of the star rating. Okay, so this one we are going to replace this one with this. Okay, it is actually working. Okay, so let's straight away work on this one. I'm going to open the detail blade file, but first of all one more thing we need to do here. Okay, we need to create the rating controller as well. Okay, we will create the rating controller later on, but first of all I'm going to add the star rating in the detail blade file. Okay, I'm going to copy this complete CSS. Okay, I'm going to copy the CSS and will paste here somewhere. Okay, in this page itself I can copy. I will take it style CSS. I am going to remove this one, is not required. I am going to put this CSS here. Okay, I have just copied from there, so I'm going to put this CSS here, and after this I'm going to copy this HTML as well. I'm going to copy this div part only. Okay, nothing else required to copy. This div part is required to copy, and I'm going to copy after here. Like, have you used this product before? Review is matter, something like this. I'm going to search where it is. Review is matter, review review is matter, review is matter. Have you tried product before? I'm going to search product before. See, here it is. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to replace this one. Okay, I'm going to replace this earlier code with this new code that we have copied, but we need to do it carefully. Okay, so here star, a div class star, this is not required. I don't think it is required. Sorry, not like this. I'm going to remove this one, is not required, this one is not required, your placeholder, and this one is not required. I'm going to remove this all and we'll paste this one. Okay, and here I'm going to just indent our code like this. Okay, so now I'm going to save and we'll see here that if it works. I'm going to click on reviews, and here you can see yeah, it works, but it is going upward. I'm going to see what is the solution for this one, and also this one name has come upwards as well. Okay, so we need to see that this form we need to take this form away. Form we are going to start not here. Okay, I'm going to remove the form from here. Okay, so because it will not come here. Okay, I am going to remove this one, and maybe some break or something is required. Still it is showing like so, but these fields are not required at all. Name, email, review title, we are not going to add this one because these are not required. We just required to have the review, this textarea. Okay, so even this field is not required. Here we will just will write here your review, and see only these two things we require. see your review is matter. Have you used this product before? Here user is going to rate for the product, and here he will give his review and submit review. Okay, this form is very much simple. Okay, so and also the star rating is for the logged in user. Okay, so we will add this condition later on, but here see it is going upward. This thing we need to see why it is going upward. Okay, we need to fix it. So I'm going to check out its class. Okay, this they have given the position absolute. Okay, so we can try with some other position like relative or maybe inherit. I'm going to see that why it is doing like this. See, still it is going upward. I'm going to try with inherit. Okay, so I'm going to try with this one. It is actually the position issue. Okay, so see here, now it is not going upward, and you can see the radio button is, it is showing the radio button as well, because the radio button is actually the backend code for the star rating. And like if we are selecting the 3 star, here it is selecting the 3. If we are selecting the 4 star, here it is selecting the 4. So what we are required to do here, we need to disable this radio button. Okay, so let's come there, and what we are going to do here, I am going to disable this input type, because here we are not required to display this at all. Okay, so this is the best solution. See, this one is not required. We are going to disable all this input, only the star rating will be visible. Okay, so now we are going to check, see review, see here. Okay, so now it is working fine. You can see the page is not refreshing at all. Okay, you can see 4 star, 3 star, 5 star, 2 star, it is working fine. Okay, so let's now add the form as well, and in the form we will also send the product ID. Okay, for which we want the rating, and the user will do two things. He will first rate the product, and then he will add the review. So we will add the condition, both the things are required. Okay, so that thing also we are going to do. So I'm going to add the form here, and I'm going to add the form straight away after add 6 here. I think it's the best place to add the form here. Okay, we can add the form here, but here you can see the test area is also here. So I'm going to add the form maybe here. Okay, so I'm going to close this one like this, and I'm going to add the form here. I will see that what issue it may arise, because some of the time when we will add the form, it creates some issue with CSS. Okay, so it might be the case, so we need to be really careful. Okay, so see, this test area is outside one of the divs. Okay, I hope that this will not create any issue. So I'm going to check it now. See, we have added the form element, and here it is. See, it seems to be fine. Okay, so I'm going to add here further, I'm going to add the method for the form, that we are going to use the post method. I'm going to add the action for the form, and we are going to create here we will one URL, one route we are going to create here, I'm going to create add rating route. Okay, add rating, something like this we are going to create. Okay, so and we can name the form as well, form rating, and also ID as form rating. Okay, so and don't forget to add the Csrf token. Okay, this one. So also we are required to send the product ID. I'm going to send the product ID as input type hidden. I will take the name as product ID. Okay, and value as dollar product details ID. Okay, like this. Okay, so now see, we need to see here. Okay, so here see, name for this one, I'm going to give the name for this one as rating. Okay, In the last video we have created the this table as well. So here the rating and review, so we will create the same name. Okay, here test area with name review. Okay, so now I think it's fine, and now we're going to create its route in web.php file. I'm going to create its route, but before that this one I'm going to give the required for this one. Okay, and here I'm going to create the add rating review, and that I'm going to put that inside auth. Okay, here I'm going to put it here, add rating review. Okay, so but I can put outside the auth. Okay, and then we will add the condition. Okay, so add rating review here, and we are going to add the route, like a route post route. We're going to add rating. Okay, so here rating controller at the rate of add rating. Here we're going to check once that we don't have the rating controller at the front. Okay, so we need to create the rating controller at the front. I'm going to right click to my project services, new terminal folder, and php artisan make controller. So I'm going to create the controller file here, rating controller file. Okay, and this time I'm going to create inside the front. Okay, front rating controller. So I'm going to check here. This time we have created the rating controller at the front. Okay, so here we are going to create this add rating function. Okay, so we are going to create the add rating function, in which we are going to post that rating that the user added from the form or request. Okay, so here we are going to have the rating here. I'm going to post if $request is method post. Okay, so here $data $request all go. Here I'm going to print this one first. Let's check that it's coming fine. Okay, so now we'll try to submit the star rating. I want to see that this one star is working fine. Main thing is this one, that it must work. Okay, otherwise we need to integrate some other rating. Okay, like 2 star here, good. So I'm going to see submit review, and we'll see it is coming fine. Product ID is 2, fine. Rating is 2, and review is good. So everything is working fine. Our star rating is working fine. Okay, so we can continue now. So first thing is that we need to make sure that the user is logged in. If the user is not logged in, then we will send the error message that login to rate this product. Okay, so first thing is we are going to check here not with the not, like auth check. We are going to check with the auth check. Not means that the user is not logged in. Okay, means it will not work. This auth check is not working. Okay, so we are checking the opposite of auth check. That means the user is not logged in, and if the user is not logged in, then we will send the error message like login to rate this product. And here we will redirect back. Okay, return it back with the error message, and error message is this one that we have already. Okay, so let's see now the user is not logged in, and he tried to submit review. And here make sure that class button type is submit. Okay, type submit. So now I'm going to refresh once again, and here reviews, click on 3-star review, good, and submit review. And here okay, auth is required, we have not added the auth, use auth. Okay, so now we will do refresh and we'll see login to rate this product. So it is showing the error message that the user is required to log in to rate this product. Okay, so let's log in. First of all, I'm going to log in and with one of the account, okay, that I used to log in, that is active. Okay, I'm going to log in with one of the account here, and I'm going to log in with this account. Okay, so let's straight away log in. Okay, so now we are logged in, and now I'm going to open any of the product here. I'm going to the men's category and will open any of the product and want to review this product. Okay, want to add the review for this product and click on review, and now 3-star, and now see it is asking to give this one as well, good product. So now submit review. Now it is working fine. Okay, so now the user is logged in, so we reached here. So now we will check like if the rating is not already added. Okay, suppose the user already added the rating. Okay, so here we are going to compare like this product id 1. See, I'm going to try with the product id 1. Okay, because that rating is already there. Okay, so this rating we have already added with the seeder. Okay, so I'm going to try the same user is trying to rate again. Okay, so he click on this one and submit review. So here we are going to add the condition first of all, like in which we are going to check the rating count. Okay, so let's first we will also add the comment, check if user not already rate this product. Okay, so here we are going to check the rating count from the rating model, where first thing is we are going to compare the user id who is logged in. Okay, we can simply add we can add user id equal to auth. We will pick from auth user id who is logged in. We always get the information from auth, so we are going to compare user id, and also we are going to compare the product id. Okay, so both things we are going to compare. We are going to compare the user id and we are going to compare the product id, product underscore id, and this one we are going to having from the form product underscore id. Okay, so I'm going to get the count, and if count is greater than 0, so it means that this product is already rated by the user. Okay, so we will send the error message once again like we are sending earlier. Now again we are going to send the error message that the product is already rated. So I'm going to send the error message like your rating already exists for this product. Okay, your rating already exists for this product. Okay, like this. So now we are going to try, see, otherwise if rating count is equal to 0, it means that we can continue and add rating. Okay, I will just mark it like this, add rating, just die. Okay, so we are going to see refresh and we'll see okay, we need to add the rating model now. Okay, use app models rating. Okay, so now we will try once again and hit continue, and this time see your rating already exists for this product because we have already added the rating for this product by the user id, same user id that we have logged in, and same product for which we are rating, and review is already there, rating is already there. So see, the user can't add rating once again. Okay, so suppose now we will select now the another product. Okay, I am going to select now another product, and for this product the user can able to rate because user does not have rated this product earlier. Okay, so So now we are going to add the rating for this product, but here one more check we are going to add, like suppose if the user not selected the star at all, okay, you just give the review, then again we are going to show the error here, that you need to select at least one star. Okay, so here one more check we are going to add here. Okay, if if dollar if empty, I'm going to check the empty. If dollar data rating is empty, okay, if rating is empty, then we are again going to show the error message to the user that you need to at least you need to add uh, please add rating for your product. Okay, something like this, please add rating for your product. Okay, so else finally the we are ready to add the star rating. Okay, so if everything is fine, then we are ready to add the star rating. See here, I don't do anything, and here good, submit review, and here you see the error message, please add rating for your product. Okay, because we have not selected any rating here. Okay, so I'm going to select the 3 star and we'll give the good. Now we are ready, see, add rating. Now we reach here to add the rating. Finally we can add the rating now. Okay, so uh, let's create rating simply like we used to add the record in table. New record in table, new rating is our model, and now first thing is rating user id. User id is already we are having dollar user id. Okay, that we have fetched from auth. Okay, so after this rating, once again rating product id dollar data product id. Okay, so I'm going to do it like this, review for review and rating, I'm going to do it like this. Okay, so now review and rating. Okay, and finally status will be 0 because admin is going to approve this rating. Okay, so status for the rating is 0, and finally we are going to save. Okay, and we are going to send the success message this time. Okay, like we used to send the error message all the time, now we are going to send the success message to the user, and here the success message is something like, thanks for rating this product, it will be shown once approved. Okay, and this time the success message. Okay, like this. So let's we will do from here. Okay, like for this product, let's add the rating 4 star. This t-shirt is really good. Okay, submit review, and sorry, we need to remove this one. Okay, and now continue, and here thanks for rating this product, it will be shown once approved. So we finally able to rate. I'm going to check in our admin panel as well. See, red casual t-shirt is really good, so rated by the same person, so 4 rating once again. So like this, I'm going to now rate for some other product. Okay, all the ratings are earlier not approved. Okay, so I'm going to rate for this product, if user do the bad rating 1 star, we can give fitting is not good, anything user can able to rate bad rating, submit review. And this time, see, I'm going to check in the admin panel once again. The admin can able to see. Okay, so this one is the new rating, fitting is not good, and rating is 1 star, and you can see it is not active. See, both are not active. The admin can able to approve it, and only then it will be shown here. So in the next video, we are going to approve this rating, and we will show the approved rating here in the reviews. Okay, these are the just the dummy rating, but we are going to show the rating, all the approved ratings here like this. Okay, we are going to show these ratings, and also we are going to show the average rating as well, and this one also we are going to work. Okay, like how much 1 star, how much 2 star, how much 3 star, how much 4 star, how much 5 star for this particular product, like Amazon and other popular website used to do. So please stay tuned for the next video. That's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.